And this one be the water connector too.
Yes.
Wow.
This is a down pipe. That's the dropping.
Down pipe.
Yes.
Okay. Which one is material this one?
You said? Because they advertise two products. So they set Top Empire and Brickswick.
Okay.
So like I said, if you are buying water collector, any of those two products, they are the best for it. So for this customer, she requested for Top Empire, and that's what we use for her. So some customers go send a Brickswick they want. They are both reliable 100%. That's the two products we sell because they are the best.
Okay.
And they know they wash over time.
They wash.
Yes, some materials in the market has to be black, so with time they change color due to sun, rain, and all those things. But this one will be like that.
Okay. You look see tear.
No, you know the break fancy dinner, so it be. And you go also notice, not say for our video, we always emphasize on saying a screw we they use so they join our material.
Yes.
So these ones now, you know they rust. Nothing they do them. So now dinner, so it be.
Wow. Okay. Which one I consider them for this?
And those now the elbow.
The elbow.
When they say they carry the pipe. Now yes, depend on the house. If not straight house, now say no come out like this. Now pipe sockets they go use, they join the pipe. But because of that shootout now elbow they go use. Because elbow they come in curve.
Okay.
Yes.
So like how much for one for this one now?
This one now current price now 5,500. Price don't increase though. We no say for increase, material increase. It's but we still they maintain our old price.
Okay.
Of
Like per meter,
no, per one left.
One like this.
Yes. Yes.
Wow. Okay. My name is Godwin Osamu. What is your name?
My name is Miss Faith Clifford.
Okay. The name of your company?
Diamond Lighthouse.
Diamond Lighthouse.
Yes, sir.
So what do do for the company?
We sell water collector. We dey install. We also dey sell marble and we dey install too for kitchen cabinet, grave, or any artwork you want to table.
Okay. But today like this only this water collector.
Yes, now we do for this house.
Okay. I'm going to be country more. Okay, let's see this one.
Yes. The one we go around the house, so now we dey call gutter. Then go around the house, so.
Okay, then go around the house.
Yes, and now yes, and now we dey call gutter. Yes.
Community in front they fall now.
Yes.
Don't they fall down.
No. Water from the roof. Now they use this gutter now to run down. So yes. Water from the roof they go direct to the gutter. Then this pipe now they bring and come down. If you look the gutter way they up, you go see those accessories. That's the funnel way join them.
Yes.
So from the funnel then you go attach elbow to take bring the pipe down. That's why when they emphasize, you know, just some people go say and I gutter and I say they pass through the house. They get other accessories. Without those accessories, you cannot combine them, you cannot fix it. So you have to fix those accessories to bring down the pipe. So inside there, so we see they use clip. This one they'll take clip the pipe to the wall so that you don't go pull with breeze. So you know just bring and come down like that. You must clip onto the wall.
Well, this gutter I see how much it is now.
The same price with our pipe, 5,500.
5,500.
Yes.
Okay, all these accessories they follow the coffee buyer.
Yes, we'll give you the list. We'll give you exactly everything we go enter. Normally, each pipe they come with two clip. Then they follow pipe for dropping. Yeah, now we use two pipes, so we use 4 clip. We know the manage material. And here they give you, and if you use only 2 clip, you put one for that up, put one for down. But if you see and see that same 4, then we use so make and they very thin. Okay.
So as both the funnel,
yes,
the funnel they come.
Yes, the accessories, funnel, outer, our outer. So now we did our corners. Okay. These shooters, the gutters of the house. So this one right there, now this one and the outer.
Okay, all of them say they follow the same the amount.
No, our outer, funnel, and inner now 2,000 with the say pay one piece. 2,000 naira.
Oh, you buy the pipe separately.
Yes, so accessories. Yes, you buy them separately.
But you say they follow the come one.
No. You have like you like who go marry now. You pay by price, you no carry wife follow body. As you buy gutter, you go buy the accessories follow. So now it be.
I go marry. I pay by price.
You no carry wife.
I'm not carry wife.
Yes.
Why not carry my wife? What I go pay for?
That's the thing, so that.
Okay. I see there soon.
Yes, so the houses house.
Wow. So as I told you, so I know pool for ground like this.
No, not the pool. You know, so this house and they never fill them. They are still working. So when they fill them, If the way they say fill am, you know, mix with this our dropping now, because you need to mix. You know, they come down. If you look this elbow now, you see something like this, it shoot out.
Yes.
You know, they come down. You go say you go the dig go for ground. So when they fill am, depending on when the person wants to fill am. So now our assurance we they give her like that. Some reason we just stop, we come out. When she don't fill am to our own certain level, you come and say this dropping no reach. Then she go call us. We go come. We go cut am, arrange am back to the level when she take fill am. We no go charge her again.
Cannot charge them again.
Yes, that's how it work.
Okay. See there like this.
Yes, sir.
No, not be smart, you know. So like this house now, how many pipe enter so?
The main house now 12 dropping, but based on our upstairs, so times 2, that's 24 pipe now enter the main house.
Okay.
Yes. Then the security house and 3 dropping. I will put for the security house.
The 3 dropping.
Yes.
Okay, 1 year, 1 year.
Yes.
Okay. So I see come here so.
Yes, nice. You see the inner one I dey tell you now. You didn't see this gutter of this house now.
Okay.
One I be the inner when go inside.
Okay.
Or we come out than the outer.
Okay.
Like this house now, I get many inners where. So all different house, the way they do their pattern. You understand? Don't mean say the way this one take now, so your own go take be. And the way they take draft your pattern of your house, depending on the gutters and the outers when you get, to see determine your cost.
Okay.
Yes.
Like the gutter, how many gutter enter here now?
So sir, the house and the security house now 28 gutters. 24 enter the main house, while the security house and 4 gutter in.
Wow, not be small money enter there.
Well, we give a discount.
Okay, if it's there for now, I'm going to install them for free for the biggest sleep.
No, installation they separate, so but just that our installation price they fair compared to when you go outside. You understand? Yeah, they will charge you like 100k for outside. If you they charge you like 50, 60, and we they give you guarantee. If you get any issues, you go call us. We no go charge you again. Wow. So that your payments, I have to now us now do the work for you, buy the material from us. So they come anytime. Say you get issue or you get adjustment when you want to make for your house. You need to do anything when you go get issue with the water collector. Someone come make adjustments. We go come, we go do one for you, and we no go collect money for your hand. If I tell you only transport, if you give the boys, but say workmanship money, we no go collect for your hand.
So okay, how much do they install now?
And this house now we carry as contracts because both the material and we supply. Initially it was about 710,000, but we gave her some discount, so she ended up paying 650,000 naira. So yes, both the installation and the material.
Wow.
Plus transportation, plus ladder. Wow. Yes.
Anyway, you try. So what you gonna take with the percentage of this way?
I just want to say thank you. God will bless them. The pockets they bring out the money from to patronize this company will not run dry. Their own business will prosper, and we promise to always deliver good jobs to them.
Yeah. So if I say me call is stop for me now, on the come say I can't take the measurement.
Depends. Normally we can, if you send us the video of your house or the first side, the picture of the first side, that's the back, the 2 sides and the front, we can give you an accurate quotation. But some customers they feel say no, if you give us rough estimate, we just want exact thing. Once when you come, especially houses maybe say they get many gutters, they get different join hair. So those kind of houses are complicated. We will like go the site first. But saying that just normal straight house and you trust us completely, just send us the video of your house. We can give you an accurate measurement. If peradventure say measurement will give you even over, once you come site, we just emphasize on that. All the any materials will carry come site, your person way there will count. If the person know there, call us on video call. We will count for you once we get to your site. If anything is remaining, we are going to refund you the money for the materials remaining. Okay. Yes.
All right. For the your price you give us, so now it's negotiable.
Like I said, when you want to buy materials, we are the one install it for you, definitely. And you're coming from a talk show, we are going to give you discount.
If my brother come to the store, I can't buy from you, because you give me discount.
If you buy material from us, then I will still give you discount.
You give me discount,
I will still give you discount, but that discount not going to be like saying that we they do the work for you. You understand? So.
All right, okay. You give us your phone number and address.
Okay. My shop is for number 9 Obamendo Street. If they come from Forestry after Cook Road Junction, you will see Obamendo. Then if they come from Mission Road after Cook Road Junction, you see Access Bank. The street by Access Bank, that's Obamendo. Street. Then my phone number 07048762120, both on call and on WhatsApp.
Okay. So the name of that company again?
Diamond Elite House.
Okay. Other people who are here from Diamond Elite House, they tell us everything she do for you today. In fact, this lady, one of the best water connector for Edo State, as you know, she look for better material, quality material. That Diamond Elite House, like you for CMO, and she get good installer, which go installer for you, and you go engineer where me and I go talk too much. There's a sin is believing, and a trial will convince you. If you want to know more about this woman, just play our video from beginning to the ending. You will know the price and the quality of material when you use for year, and you go choose what you want to use for your own house. So remember, say your house and this house not be the same. No, wetin enter here, not be going. Wetin will enter your own. No, make you just look for better person. That matters a lot. Oh, and that better person, that Diamond Elite House, that be the person who will do better work for you, and you go enjoy am. Maybe only this water connector. No, she dey sell all those marble tiles. Oh, anyone you look for. Your gold tar, any type of design, any kind of any design, she gets everything, and she get quality ones. So we say you go enjoy well. Her phone number and address is there at the bottom as I talk to you. So, but in case you can't forget, we go for website. So you go see at www.edotalkshow.com.ng. Any video when you define, whether na plumber, electrician, na peter, anyone at all, I been at Diamond Elite House, they're there. Edo Talk Show. And let's remember one Godwin Osamoyi. Now well done.
Is that all you? Uber worldwide. Is that all you?
Boni Cola.
The police they coming, they asking mad questions. I don't know, I'm getting some money, I ain't seen nobody. I don't know, you women my ass, say me I hell. I don't know, sorrow for sight for one fuck about. Look at my back, they call me Baba for this kaba. Everything cash, nobody want wahala now. They look like a car. I dey get money, I know they watch anybody. Charlie, make it they watch yourself, one more, yeah. Give me no sooner with you, give me no sooner with dog. You go my gualo, you go my gualo. What's it me? Now me see, and I be needing you to run my own. You go round me, what's it me? You go round me, you go round me. They're killing themselves, I don't know why like that.